Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need to stop the infection spreading, disconnect from the network now, and work offline. Once disconnected, open Task Manager or Activity Monitor to spot processes using unusually high CPU, disk, or network. Make note of suspicious names and end those processes with caution. Write them down. Next, reboot into safe mode or a clean user account so persistent adware won't restart. This lets you run cleanup tools without interference and prepares the system for targeted removal. Now focus on elimination. Run an updated anti-malware scan and a secondary on-demand scanner to catch PUPs and adware. While scans run, manually inspect all browsers for unfamiliar extensions, unwanted toolbars, and change startup pages. Remove and reset them. Open programs and features or applications and uninstall software you didn't install. Also check Task Scheduler and startup entries for persistence. Delete scheduled tasks or auto runs tied to the adware. Finish by cleaning residual traces. Clear your DNS cache and reset network adapters so hosts and proxy changes revert. Sweep temporary files and run a final full scan to confirm removal. Create a new user account or restore from a clean backup if persistent settings remain. Make sure to change important passwords and enable browser protections. If ads continue, collect logs, note process names and firewall events, and then consult a professional. This troubleshooting data speeds targeted removal and prevents wasted steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.